Okay, here is a question. We are given a point P with the coordinates 4 for x coordinate and 1 for the y coordinate. And there is a line that contains this point. So the task is we have to write the equation for the line that contains this point. So let's make a quick sketch here. So here is my x-axis and here is my y-axis. The point P is, let's locate it, 1, 2, 3, 4 squares to the right from the origin and 1 up. So here is a point P. And the question says there is a line that contains this point. So I'm just going to draw a line that contains this point. Let me use my straight line tool here. Okay. And I'm going to show two arrowheads on either end to represent that this line can move infinitely in both directions. Okay. So now one form of the equation of a straight line is called the slope intercept form. So let me write that, slope intercept form. And that is y equals mx plus b, and probably you remember that m represents the slope, b represents the y-intercept. Now, according to my picture, I have a horizontal line. So the horizontal line, it's not steep, it's just flat, right? So the slope is 0. The horizontal line has slope 0. Now again, from the graph, I can read off the intercept, the y-intercept. So y-intercept is a point on the y-axis where the line crosses that y-axis. So this is 0, 1. So I'm going to say that the y-intercept, we can write it as one single number, that is 1. Thus the y has the y coordinate has the value 1 in y-intercept. So now let me go back to our equation. So this time in the equation y equal to mx plus b, I'm going to plug in the value for x and y. So in the ordered pair that we are given 4, 1, the value of 1 is for the y coordinate. So I'm going to plug in that here. And slope for the horizontal line is 0. The value of x coordinate is 4. And we have the y-intercept 1. Let's simplify this equation. So you get 1 equal to 1, which means it's a true equation, which proves that our equation is right. So now the answer is we have to write an equation, a general equation. So that equation would be containing y equal to, the equation will contain the letters y and x. You have to plug in the value for slope and the y-intercept. So slope is 0. I'm going to leave x as x plus 1. So this simplifies to y equal to 1. So the equation of the line that contains the point P is y equal to 1. I hope this helps.